Hello everyone, and welcome to My Natural Hair Delights, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. Today I am unboxing some hair products and labels, okay? So I'm getting prepared to make the Rosemary Hair Growth Oil. And if you follow me on social media, I'm on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And yes, I just want to let you all know that we are about to start this this hair growth oil collection. I have the 2-ounce label and I have the 4-ounce label. This is the 2-ounce label here. As you all can see, this is the glossy material pet film. And then we also have the 4-ounce. This is the 4-ounce label. It's a little bigger. And it looks really nice. I like the pattern. I got the gold trim. I designed it in Canva. So I designed everything in Canva. Business cards, labels, everything that I want to print out. I design it in Canva, and then if I want to print out my business cards, I print it out from Vistaprint. And if I want to get my hair product labels, I get it from Avery. Okay, never had any issues with Vistaprint or Avery. And yes, Canva is the best for designing as well. So whoa, this is the secret ingredient to hair growth, okay? If you want to boost your hair growth, if you want to strengthen your hair strands, this ingredient right here is going to do the job, okay? So I wanted to make sure that I add this ingredient, this natural ingredient, to the mix, okay? So rosemary and cloves, they are in the spotlight, but this right here, it does the job, okay? Next, we're going to open up the box. Oh, wow. Okay. So we have the gold bubble mailers. This is an 8.5 by 11 bubble mailers. And I actually ordered a larger size just in case I put like the paperback books if I want my hair back inside. So I wanted to make sure that it fits the paperback book. If you're just shipping out like the regular size hair growth oils, like 4-ounce or 2-ounce, then the bubble mailers can actually be cut in half, which I can't like just cut these in half, but they can actually be like half the size of the 8.5 by 11. To start a business, you really just have to have the vision, you have to have the faith, and the permission from God. Make sure that it's God sent, that God is leading you and guiding you to the business that you desire to start up, because you can easily start up the wrong business and you could be wasting so much time, you know, focusing on something that you probably wasn't supposed to do in the first place. So just to make sure that it's God sent, He's approving it and leading you and guiding you. When I first started, I didn't really know what I wanted to sell. I just knew that this was God sent and I had to go for it. And then the Lord just opened up new ideas for me. So yeah, so now here I am. So now we are looking at our next natural ingredient. This is the grapeseed oil, okay? This oil is made for hair growth, okay? This is a very high quality oil, okay? It's 100% natural, 100% pure. There's no chemicals. There's no extra added ingredients in the oil. So you definitely want to add this to your hair growth oil if you decide to make your own hair growth oil, okay? The next thing that we have is the castor oil. You got to have the castor oil in the mix, okay? It boosts your hair growth. It moisturizes your scalp very well. It helps out with dandruff. So if you have dandruff or dry, itchy scalp, castor oil alone is very great for your hair and scalp, okay? It's a thicker texture, but it works very well, okay? Okay, so the next two natural ingredients that I want to introduce to you all is the rosemary and the cloves, okay? These two natural ingredients work well together for natural hair growth. If you want to boost your hair growth, you want to get these two natural ingredients simply because they work well for your hair and your scalp. It gets rid of dandruff. It helps with dry, itchy scalp. It also helps with blood circulation. This rosemary alone helps with blood circulation, and it strengthens your hair strands. So if you feel like your hair is getting thin, these two natural ingredients alone will strengthen your hair strands, and it will help with hair loss. If you just have certain parts of your hair where you're just like kind of not wanting to show, you want to add these ingredients to your scalp because this is going to help your hair grow at a healthier state. This is why I'm so passionate about natural ingredients, because natural ingredients such as rosemary, cloves, and black seeds, these three ingredients right here is what's going to make your hair grow longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger, okay? These natural ingredients are the go-tos to add to any type of hair product. If you want to add it to your shampoo, if you want to add it to your hair growth oil, hair butter, conditioner, you want to add these ingredients. And these are not the only natural ingredients. These are just a few of the many natural ingredients that will help your hair to grow, okay? Not just help your hair grow, but to keep your hair healthy and strong, okay? So that is what I have chosen. I have chosen these 5 natural ingredients. I'm actually going to, I have 6 natural ingredients. So there's one more natural ingredient that I want to introduce to you all. That's going to be in the Rosemary Delight hair growth oil, okay? And it is the peppermint essential oil, okay? This is the peppermint essential oil, okay? This is the 4 fluid ounces, which I'm not gonna use the entire 4 ounces of peppermint oil because it's very strong, very potent. But you definitely want to add a few drops in the mix if you plan to make your own hair growth oil. Peppermint essential oil is the go-to to use on your hair and your scalp. So this is 100% peppermint, all natural essential oil, okay? It has no chemicals, it has no extra added ingredients. It helps with dandruff, it helps with dry, itchy scalp. It helps to calm and relax your mind. So if you are stressed out, essential oils, especially peppermint essential oil, can help with stress. It can help with a lot of things. So you definitely want to add this to the mix. So I can't wait to make it for you all. I can't wait to put it on my hair as well. I'm also going to put it on my daughter's hair. She's only 1, so it's very baby friendly. If you have a little toddler, you can use it on their hair as well. It's all natural ingredients. There are no chemicals, no phthalates, no silicones, no synthetic preservatives. There's nothing toxic in this hair growth oil, so you definitely want to add this to your mix. If you have been waiting for your hair to grow, but you're not sure like how to grow it, you definitely want to add these ingredients to your hair and your scalp, okay? This is going to change so many people's lives, and I can't wait to continue to make even more products for you all. I'm also going to make the hair growth butter. So all of these ingredients will be in the hair growth butter, as well as other ingredients such as mango butter. I love using mango butter. once I put all the pieces together, I'm gonna show you the final results of the Rosemary Delight Hair Growth Oil. So stay tuned. Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always contact me under my social media page. I'm usually on YouTube, so if you watch this video on YouTube, you can comment below. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, okay? Thank you all for watching. I hope to talk to you all again soon. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.